How to see how much data you have left on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Settings application on your device. And then you need to navigate to mobile networks. Here you see different option. Simply navigate to data uses. And from this section, you can easily find out the uses of data that you have did from December 18 to today. So as you can see that currently I haven't used any of the datas. So my data has been left up to 2 bytes, which is the limit of my data. So that limit may be different according to your devices. So up to the limit, you need to check how much data you have left on your Android device, deducting the current data you have used and the data limits. So you can easily find out from this way. I hope this guide was simple and easy. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.